how to forward emails from one email account to another email account in cpanel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cpanel, this is the cpanel dashboard we see. Now click on the Forwarders option under the Email section. This will open the Email Forwarders page. Here, click on the Add Forwarder button. Now, in the Address to Forward field, type the username of the email account that you want to forward. Next, select the correct domain that this email account belongs to. Then, in the Destination field, enter the full email address where you want to receive the forwarded emails. After entering everything correctly, click the Add Forwarder button. And done. Now, all emails received in this email account will automatically be sent to the new email address you added. You can also see the forwarder listed on the Forwarders page in cpanel. That's it for setting up email forwarding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.